Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Canva AI photo and video editor app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Canva is a popular design platform that combines photo editing, video creation, and AI-powered tools to help users produce professional content quickly. It offers thousands of customizable templates for social media posts, presentations, marketing materials, and videos, along with AI features like Magic Write for copy generation, Magic Edit for object replacement, and Magic Design for instant layouts. The app supports drag-and-drop editing, brand kits for consistency, and direct publishing to multiple platforms. In practical use, many users praise Canva's intuitive interface and versatility, making it suitable for beginners and professionals alike. The AI tools significantly speed up content creation, and the vast template library ensures high-quality designs without starting from scratch. Its collaboration features also make it ideal for teams working on shared projects. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some advanced design capabilities found in professional software may be missing, and certain AI-generated elements might require manual adjustments. While Canva offers a free version, access to premium templates, advanced AI tools, and brand kit features requires a subscription, which may be expensive for occasional users. In summary, Canva may be worth using if you want an easy, fast, and AI-assisted way to create visually appealing designs and videos without professional design skills. However, if you need highly advanced customization or want to avoid subscription fees, it might not be the perfect fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.